Hello everybody, this is Matt from Simple Tutorials and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about how to cancel Plantin subscription. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description guys using which you can easily donate to our channel, so that is going to be super awesome. Now let's just dive on to our tutorial. So here, as you can see, I'm going to be showing this method for the iOS version. To cancel any subscription on an iPhone, you need to open your settings app, then tap on your name basically, from where you're going to be heading over to your subscriptions. So you will be available with your subscriptions listed in there, as you can see in the screenshot as well. Then tap on the subscription that you want to cancel, the particular subscription. Then you might be scrolling down to find cancel subscription button. If there is no cancel button, you can see expiration message in the red text. The subscription is already canceled. So basically, yeah, that is how you can cancel it out. And if you even want to do it on your PC, you can on your PC open your like for example Apple Music, Apple TV or anything. Click on the name in at the bottom of the sidebar, then choose view my account and sign in with your Apple ID. From there you will have this option of subscriptions basically, and then click on manage, as you can see in the screenshot, and from there you will be easily able to cancel your subscriptions. So that is pretty much it for this video, and that's how you can cancel any subscription out. So I hope this helps guys. Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel. That is going to be super awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.